Uh, I would like to call Mrs. Agarwal to kindly come on the stage and share an insight and enlightenment about the empowerment of women initiatives that you've taken control of. So may I please have you back on the stage, ma'am? इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen present here. On behalf of Arya Group of Colleges, it is my privilege to welcome you all for this grand extravaganza evening, the most enterprising brands and leaders of Asia 2018. I would also like to congratulate all the awardees because I completely understand the efforts that go behind getting these recognitions and awards. It is the tireless efforts of years and the passion for the cause which you are pursuing which brings you these applauds and applauses. I would just like to give you a brief insight of Arya Group of Colleges. Arya Group of Colleges was established in the year 2000 by the vision, due to the vision of my father-in-law, late Shri T.K. Agarwal ji, and he saw this vision at the age of 70. When people think of retirement, he invested his entire savings in setting up an educational institution in the state of Rajasthan, and we are the pioneers in setting up engineering education and technical education in the state of Rajasthan, for which he called my husband, Dr. Arvind Agarwal. He's a psychiatrist. He was practicing in US in Boston, and he called him back that you please come back. It is not possible for me to create this kind of infrastructure and set up this kind of institution all by myself. And I need, and whatever you are going to earn in US, I ensure that you will get that in your own country with your family around you. This is how this institution was established with the collaboration of doctors, engineers. I am also not an engineer. I have a commerce background. I'm a law graduate from Punjab University, Chandigarh. I'm a gold medalist awarded by Vice President of India. I've been a part of student exchange programs to four European countries when I was a law student. After marriage, I went on to pursue my education further, and I did my MBA, and thereafter I completed my PhD. You asked me to talk about women empowerment. From the last 3 years, we've been associated with this cause of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And Arya Group of Colleges sponsors the education of 201 girls free of cost for entire 4 years. This is our contribution to the society, which has given us the recognition, which has given us that all we have today. And we not only ensure that these girls get the education free, but it is my passion and it is my commitment to the families of all these girls that we will not only give them a degree, but we will ensure that they get good jobs in the industry and they become self-reliant, self-financed. They should be, only when we can make these girls self-reliant, self-independent, then can we talk about women empowerment. This is a small contribution from our side to the society, and I hope we can continue to contribute for the betterment of the society and make this society and nation a better place and a better world to live in. Thank you.